No matter what type of heavy-duty indoor or outdoor work you're performing, it's always a good idea to have reliable inline extension cords available for hard-to-reach power sources. We carry a wide range of ground fault circuit indicator inline cords for work in hazardous locations. These durable inline GFCI cords offer users extra protection against electrical shocks, especially when used in areas where water or dampness is present and in various rugged situations. This type of extension cord cuts power from the connection when it senses abnormal conditions like an imbalance in current. Our GFCI inline extension cords come in a variety of lengths and configurations and are offered in 120 volt and 240 volt to cover all types of applications and job needs. These cords are ideal for a variety of applications, including for use in bathrooms, food processing plants, manufacturing, outdoors, and hazardous locations. Don't get stuck on a job without the proper extension cord to keep you and your crew safe. Check out our selection of GFCI inline extension cords and order yours today from Larson Electronics. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out our complete selection at Larson Electronics, American made and manufactured. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.